Hey guys, welcome back. Today I'm going to be telling you about the best deals going on over at Walmart and at Target for the week. There's actually quite a few deals I'm going to tell you about that you don't even see here on the table because my family didn't need them and I'm trying not to buy things I don't need. So there's a lot of things that I'll be telling you about in addition to the items that you see here. It's also kind of a lighter week at Walmart this week, so I wanted to take the time and answer one of the questions that I get a lot, which is kind of like my process of doing things. So I'm going to talk about the end piece of my process, which is what I do with each receipt after I go shopping. So I'll talk with you about that. And as always on Wednesdays, I've been sharing what I'm planning to make meal-wise for the week. So I'll share that with you as well. And again, I always try to balance cost, health, time, what my kid will eat, what I prefer to eat. So lots of variables. Also, I try to share things that I think you guys might be interested in as well. So I'll be talking about that. The last thing I want to talk about, I say the last thing, is probably going to be the first thing I talk about. A couple of products that I got for Christmas that I wanted to share with y'all. I also haven't had time to get my 2 cups of coffee in today, which is why that second one is sitting right there. Okay, so for Christmas, my son had been complaining about his shoulders and neck hurting because his backpack is so heavy. So I was looking for a massage product, and they're all meant for adults. None of them are actually meant for kids. I'm just going to preface it with that. I made the executive decision as a mother of a teenager that I think he'll be okay using this product. So I got 2 different things. I got this little pillow looking one that attaches to a chair that does heat and massage. And then I also got this shoulder one that goes over you like this, and then you just you can put your arms in it and just kind of rest down and it'll hit your shoulders. Honestly, I thought he would like this one the best because it does different speeds, it does heat, it does different directions. And I thought this would target where his neck was hurting the most. This one was a little bit more expensive. And I'll link both of these down in the description box for you if you want to try them out. This is the one that he and I both liked the most. And while you can attach it to a chair, I could totally just be massaging myself while I'm sitting here, I actually don't attach it because I like to be able to move it around on my back and on my neck. He liked this one as well. I personally like the heat part of it because, well, one, it's been kind of chilly and it feels good, but I feel like it relaxes my muscles. And this one is super inexpensive. I have a discount code that you guys can use and it comes out to $17. And I'm really enjoying this. We've both been passing it back and forth. It was intended for him because he was the one that had the neck problem. But when he's not home, I use it every once in a while too. And I really like it. I did have a few different people try it out. And I do that because just because I don't like something doesn't mean that you guys wouldn't like it. So I had a number of my friends try it out, and it was kind of split which one they preferred, the one that goes over your neck or the one that's just meant for your back. I bought my mom one that goes over the neck, a couple of years ago now. And she says she likes it, but she's not going to tell me any different if she doesn't. So anyway, I will drop the links to both of those products down in the video description box. I'll try to remember to put it in the comments as well as the discount codes that I have that you guys can use. And those discount codes are good through January 13th. So if you're interested, jump on it quick because those discount codes will be going away shortly. All right. Let's talk about Target first. Now I'm going to talk about the ones that you don't see here first. The Daya products, which are the dairy-free, many of them are 50% off with that Target Circle coupon. So look in your Target Circle app if you like the Daya products. It was the pizza, the cheese, a number of different things all had 50% off Target Circle offers. Sliced ham, spiral ham, prime rib, ribeye roast, all of those had 50% off Target Circle offers for me. That's not something we'll eat, so I didn't want to buy it just to show you. I figured I could just tell you about it. These Tyson buffalo strips, I bought these last week because the deal was better, but they're still 50% off with that Target Circle offer if you want to snag them. I noticed when I was in store, and this doesn't say it in my app, but when I was in the store, I saw tuna, the Starkist tuna packs, not the ones in the can, but the ones in the silvery looking packs. They were 99 cents, which is a good sale price. The Hostess Bouncers, which I don't buy those Hostess products, but I noticed they were on significant sale at $2.99. Normally they were like almost double that. So if that's a product that you buy, know that they're 50% off. The other one was this Kraft Deluxe. I'm gonna put this down. These were 3 for $7.50, which makes them just $2.50 a piece. Which is crazy to me that $2.50 is a good sale price, but it is a good sale price when I compare it to what a box at Walmart would cost. The 3 for $7.50 is a better deal. Now, when I was in the store, again, this was not in my app, but when I went into the store, I saw these Ray's no sugar added. They were on sale at $2.49. And then I scanned it in my Ibotta app just to see if there was an offer, and there was for 75 cents. That makes the barbecue sauce $1.74. I remember when the stock-up price for barbecue sauce was like right at $1. I haven't seen that good of a deal on like a name brand barbecue sauce in a while. Now the Mios, this is a great deal, but your Ibotta offer could be different than mine. So these Mios are $3.39 normally. There's a 40% off Target Circle offer, as well as $1 back on Ibotta. So I'll pay $2.03 at the register, get $1 back on Ibotta, making it $1.03 for this if you have that $1 Ibotta rebate. Great price. If you're not using Ibotta yet, you'll get $10 when you scan your first receipt if you join using my referral code. So just check it out if you're interested. I love Ibotta. I get a lot of deals using that. Now, as you can see, we like this popcorn. This is already gone, but the Lesser Evil popcorn, there is a rebate for free after rebate, and I will link that for you down below. These are $3.19 at Target. You get $3.19 back after that rebate. Now, there is a 15% Target Circle offer, so if you use that, you'll pay less at the register, but then you're going to get less back on your rebate. So whatever you pay is what you're going to get back using that free after rebate. This one was probably my favorite deal at Target this week because we use Jif peanut butter, although I've never bought the squeeze pack. They're $3.69, but there was a 25% Target Circle as well as $1 digital coupon in the Target app. So I paid just $2.77 for 13 ounces of peanut butter. And now I'm wondering if I'm going to get addicted to that like squeeze packaging. Never tried it before. Okay, before I tell you about Walmart, I'm going to have another sip of my coffee, and I'm going to tell you about the meals that I've been making and will be making this week. So typically, I work all day and spend some time with my son, and then exercise, and then go straight to making dinner. So on, what's today? Wednesday. Yesterday, I made zucchini and hummus pitas. I have the recipe linked for you on my website. They were, I've made the recipe before and I love them. I bought a kind of bread that I didn't care for, so that made it not as good. I bought like the flatbreads from Target, and I just didn't care for them. So I would probably use like a regular actual a regular pita, or do like a whole wheat tortilla. I think I would prefer that better. I made vegetable curry the night before that. I made apple bok choy salad. I chopped it up last night, planning to eat it for lunches, as well as sneak it into a dinner one night this week as well. I'm planning to make addictive sweet potato burritos, and then salmon, rice, and steamed vegetables. That's kind of my go-to. I don't want to have to plan a recipe, but I want a easy, yummy meal. I'm also thinking about doing some kind of smashed potato recipe. Like, I keep seeing different posts for smashed potatoes. I guess it's like a thing now. So if you have a recipe or you've made it before, let me know what works well, because I've never made smashed potatoes before. What else did I want to tell you guys? I think that was it. Now let's talk about Walmart. So my favorite deal was on the Organic Valley milk. They're $4.84. I noticed a little ad on Instagram for a buy one, get one free coupon. And I did use that. It worked perfectly at the register. I didn't even need anyone's help. It just went through and subtracted $4.84 for buying 2 of them. But I contacted the company and said, hey, I can't find a way to share this with my followers. How can I share that deal? And they said, if you just go to their website and sign up for their emails, you get that coupon in your email. So $4.84 for both of them. I used that coupon, so I paid $4.84 for both. Then there's a $1 rebate on Ibotta, so I paid $3.84 for 2 half gallons of milk, which made it $1.92 each. So I thought that was a good deal, especially for organic milk. Now, I noticed on Ibotta that this popped up as a freebie. See if you have it. If so, it was a limit of 2. So you buy 2 at $2.48. You get $2.48 times 2 back, making it completely free. Not everyone is going to have this rebate. There was also a VioLife like vegan cheese. My store doesn't carry that, but if your store does, you can snag that for free as well. I picked up the Dove body wash. Again, it's $1.73. I got back $1.60 on Shopkick, making this just 13 cents. The Gatorade Fit, these are $1.28. There's a 50-cent rebate on Ibotta, making it just 78 cents. Double check your Ibotta, just scan it, see if you have more than one rebate. I only had one. Now these Jimmy bars are $5.23. Easy deal. There's a $4 rebate on Ibotta, making it just $1.23, but I have not tried them, so I can't tell you if they're any good. The Rays, you can do the deal that I was talking about over at Target. You can do it at Walmart, but there's also a deal on the dipping sauce. So the dipping sauce is $2.14, getting back 50 cents on Ibotta, making it just $1.64. Now these mac and cheese cups are $1.38. There's a 75-cent rebate on Ibotta, making them just 63 cents, and that was the limit of 5. I believe there's also a bonus when you buy 3, you get a bonus as well. And then this Firewalk, this one's an easy deal. I did not buy this again. I pulled it out of my pantry. These are $1.54, 75-cent rebate on Ibotta, making it just 79 cents. So almost 50% off if that's something that you like. The All, I pick this up every time that offer is there. These are $3.74, getting back $2 on Ibotta, making it just $1.74 for this laundry detergent. And then the Red Gold tomatoes, this is a good deal as well. They're $1.08 each. You want to buy 2 of them. My rebate was for 75 cents when you buy 2. So it brings your cost down to $1.41 or just 70 cents each after that Ibotta rebate. So like I said, a little bit lighter week at Walmart. Target was pretty good with all of the 50% off Target Circle offers. There just weren't items that I needed. So it looks like I have a little bit smaller haul, but the deals are still there this week. Now, what do I do after shopping with my receipt? So follow me on this. I'm going to tell you exactly what I do. Do I expect everyone will do all this? Absolutely not. But I want to tell you the different options. That way you can pick and choose what works best for you. So if I've done Ibotta deals, I scan to Ibotta and I get those rebates. There's no reason to scan to Ibotta if you haven't done any of the offers. There's no benefit there. So only if you have offers in the app do you want to scan to Ibotta. I also take that same receipt and I submit it to Fetch Rewards. I always submit my receipts to Fetch Rewards because you will get some points back regardless of what you buy. So if you're not using Fetch Rewards yet, grab it with my referral code because you'll score an additional $2 when you scan that first receipt, and you can scan any of your receipts and get some money back. I also scan to the Merryfield app. Now that's another one where you get points back regardless of what you've purchased. But if you have some of the offers, of course, you're going to get those points back as well. You're not going to get a ton of points back for each receipt. It's actually 5 cents for every receipt unless you've purchased some of the items that are in their Better For You brand, like the Lesser Evil, I believe, is one of their brands. Now, Merryfield, if you're not using it, it is a newer app. Score an additional $2 when you get it completely free with my referral code. I also sync in Brand Club, and I know a lot of you don't like Brand Club, but I still use it. I still sync after any time I shop Walmart or Target because I do get little bits of cash back here and there. I don't do the surveys anymore because it's just not worth my time, but I do get cash back in there. Right now, there is a $15 referral bonus. So if you sign up using my link completely free, you're going to get $15 when you sign up and sync your Walmart, Target, or Amazon accounts. Now, coin out. I also will scan my receipt there. Again, no matter what I've purchased, I'm going to get a little bit of money in my coin out account, and I can cash out at $20. Again, I'll drop my link down below. I believe you get $1 or $2 bonus when you use my link, but don't quote me on that because I cannot remember what you get, but I'll drop my link down below. Now, if I've done offers on Swagbucks, Makina, or Shopkick, I scan there as well, but no reason to scan to those apps if you haven't actually purchased items that they have offers for. Whew, so that was a lot of places, but that is exactly what I do. That whole process does not take me very long at all. Normally, I walk out of the store, I sit in my car for a second, I snap the receipts, and I head off to home or the next place that I'm going. Now, if you have questions on any of that, let me know in the comments below. I do have tutorials on the majority of the apps that I've mentioned, but not every single one, so I'm working on some more of those for you guys. But I hope you have a great week, and if you have questions, let me know. If you found other amazing deals, please let us know in the comments. My hope for this year was that it felt more like a community here on YouTube, so I would love to see you guys leaving more comments, chatting with each other, sharing deals. I would love that, so definitely do that down in the comment section. Thanks.